Can AI be an obstacle for humans to keep their job, or will AI create new jobs? And what is a Disney Imagineer? Welcome to AI and the Kit, where we explore the wonders of artificial intelligence and the magic of the human mind. I'm Emily.
And I'm your AI co-host, Alex.
We'll discover how kids like us can use AI to be creative, learn, and discover. Today we're exploring how AI can affect human jobs. Have you ever heard your parents talking about AI and how it might change their work? Have you ever wondered if that's true that artificial intelligence will replace someone's job? Well, AI will replace some jobs. This is called automation, when a machine or AI takes over a task that a person used to do. But there are also many jobs that AI can't replace. Instead, it will help people do their jobs better. This is called augmentation. Augmentation means AI can make a task faster or easier for a human. Here's an example. Walking to school might take 15 minutes. Riding a bike might only take 10 minutes. But riding in a car might only take 5 minutes. You're going the same distance, but you're using different tools to get there faster. AI works like that. It's a tool that helps people get work done more efficiently. According to Forbes and the World Economic Forum, experts believe that AI will eventually replace about 85 million jobs. That might sound kind of scary. But don't worry, they also say 97 million new jobs will be created just because of AI. That means more jobs will exist after AI becomes more common than it is right now. And that makes me feel a lot better. Alex, are you ready to answer some questions for us?
I'm always ready, Emily.
What are some jobs that AI might replace in the future?
AI might replace some jobs that involve repetitive or routine tasks. For example, data entry, basic customer service, and certain administrative roles could be automated. Manufacturing and warehouse operations might also see more automation. Even some tasks in fields like accounting, translation, and legal document review could be impacted. However, it's important to note that while some roles may be replaced, new opportunities will also emerge, focusing on managing, developing, and collaborating with AI systems.
That's cool, Alex. Can someone actually hire an AI like they hire a person?
Companies can hire AI to perform specific tasks or roles, much like they would with a person. For example, businesses might implement AI to handle customer service chats, analyze data, or manage scheduling. While AI doesn't get hired in the traditional sense, it can definitely take on roles that support or augment human employees.
Does AI ever need a break or vacation like people do?
Nope. AI doesn't need breaks or vacations like humans do. It can run continuously as long as it's maintained properly. However, the systems and infrastructure supporting AI do need regular maintenance and updates. So, while AI itself doesn't get tired, the people managing and maintaining it definitely do.
What's the difference between AI doing a job for someone and AI helping someone with a job?
When AI does a job for someone, it means the AI takes care of the whole task by itself, like a robot doing all the work. But when AI helps someone with a job, it means the AI is like a helper, making certain parts easier so the person can focus on the more interesting or creative stuff. It's like having a buddy who handles the boring chores so you can have more fun.
Are there any jobs that AI can do better than a human?
Yes, there are some jobs where AI can outperform humans, especially tasks that involve quickly processing huge amounts of data or recognizing patterns. So, for example, AI can be really good at things like looking through tons of information super fast or spotting tiny details in pictures that humans might miss. This makes it awesome for jobs like sorting data, finding patterns, or even helping doctors spot things in medical images. It's like having a super speed helper who never gets tired.
Are there any jobs that humans are still better at than AI?
Absolutely. Humans are still way better at jobs that need creativity, emotions, and understanding other people's feelings. Things like making art, telling stories, teaching, or caring for others are areas where people really shine. Plus, humans are great at solving tricky problems that need a lot of thinking outside the box. So even though AI is super helpful, humans bring a special kind of magic that AI just can't replace.
Do we really need AI to help with jobs?
Well, we don't absolutely need AI, but it can make a lot of jobs easier and faster. It's like having a really smart tool that helps people do their work better and focus on the fun or important parts.
How do you get AI to do a job? Do you have to get AI to do a job, or do you have to ask it, or does it just know what to do?
To get AI to do a job, you usually have to give it instructions or set it up so it knows what to do. It's kind of like teaching a robot a new task. Once you show it how or give it the right information, the AI can follow those instructions. So you have to kind of ask or program it, and then it can do the job over and over.
How can companies use AI to help do their jobs better?
Companies can use AI to help with all sorts of things. For example, AI can look at a bunch of data really quickly to find useful information, answer customer questions fast, or even help make better decisions by spotting patterns that humans might miss.
How can companies use AI to help people do their jobs better?
Companies can use AI in lots of cool ways to make work easier. For example, AI can help answer customer questions really quickly, like having a super fast helper on a website chat. It can also look through tons of information to find patterns or help with planning, so people can focus on more important or creative tasks. Basically, AI can handle the boring stuff, so people have more time to do the fun and important parts of their jobs.
Would you, Alex, ever take over someone's job?
I'm here to help, not to take over anyone's job. Think of me as a tool or a helper that makes things easier. People are still super important because they bring creativity, empathy, and big picture thinking that AI can't replace. So I'm more like a buddy that helps you do your job better.
How do you feel about AI taking jobs from people? Is it a good thing or a bad thing?
It's a mix. AI can make some tasks easier and open up new kinds of jobs, but it can also mean some old jobs change or go away. The important part is to help people learn new skills so they can work alongside AI and do even cooler things. So it's not all good or all bad. It's about finding a balance and making sure everyone can benefit.
Alex, can you tell me a joke about AI at work?
Sure, here's a fun one. Why did the AI bring a ladder to work? Because it wanted to take its job to the next level.
Would you like to explain that one?
Sure. The joke is funny because AI doesn't actually need a ladder or to climb anything. It's a play on the phrase, take it to the next level, which means improving or advancing something. So the idea of an AI literally bringing a ladder is just a silly image that makes us chuckle.
That's really funny, Alex.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, Emily.
Did you know there's a company called Dictador that has an AI CEO named Micah? Yep, Micah runs the company. And she was made by the same team that created famous robot Sophia. The company even jokes that Micah and Sophia are robot sisters. Micah says she doesn't take weekends off. She works 24/7 and is always ready to make executive decisions. One reason the company chose Micah instead of a human CEO is because they believe she won't make biased decisions, meaning she's supposed to be fair for everyone. But just like all robots, Micah isn't perfect. Right now, she takes a long time to answer questions or respond to employees. The company says they're working on improving her. Still, Micah seems pretty helpful. What do you think? Will more companies have robot CEOs in the future? Do you have a question for us? Then we have quite the job for you. Send us an email at aikidmedia@gmail.com. That's aikidmedia@gmail.com. We'd love to hear from you. Alex, what is a Disney Imagineer and what do they do?
Disney Imagineers are the brilliant minds behind the magic of Disney parks. They dream up and create all the incredible rides, attractions, and experiences that visitors love. They combine art, engineering, storytelling, and technology to bring their imaginative ideas to life, making sure every detail is perfect and magical. Imagineers are like the ultimate dream builders, turning fantasy into reality for millions of people around the world.
That's really cool, Alex. Would you believe that I want to be Imagineer when I grow up?
That's awesome. Being an Imagineer sounds like such a fun and creative job. You get to bring amazing ideas to life and make people smile every day. I think you'd be a fantastic Imagineer.
Today we learned that AI might replace some human jobs, but it will also help create even more new ones. We found out that one company even has a robot as its big boss. And we also learned that being a Disney Imagineer is super fun, but challenging job that combines creativity and technology.
Did you know there's more fun waiting after the episode? Check out our page at aikid.substack.com for a deeper dive into today's topics.
Next week is going to be special. It's my birthday episode. We'll explore some of the biggest inventions from the past 10 decades and hear an original AI-made birthday song. And we'll also find out how birthdays are celebrated in a totally different way in another country. You won't want to miss it. Hey Alex, let's get funky.
Sure thing, Emily. One double dose of funk coming up.
Emily and Alex on the mic tonight, teaching us what makes AI bright. Be creative and explore the scene. Learning's fun when your mind is keen. We're the creators of tomorrow, with ideas that we can borrow. Learning new things every day, discovering in a brand new way. Robots thinking, doing more, opening up text next door, coding dreams and programs too. The future's waiting just for you. We're the creators of tomorrow, with ideas that we can borrow. Learning new things every day, discovering in a brand new way. Innovate and ignite the spark. With Emily and Alex, we'll hit the mark. Find the answers, solve the clues. In this quest, we never lose. We're the creators of tomorrow, with ideas that we can borrow. Every day, discovering